Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another fragrance review from the house of Ahmed Al Maghrabi. This is Thaqaf. Let's start with the presentation. So on the front you get Thaqaf, on the top Ahmed's logo, and inside the box you get another leather type of a box. This is not like pure leather but a fake leather, but still this is a really good presentation. I would rate it a 9 out of 10. The bottle, the juice color looks very bright, really amazing, and the bottle is like a heavy glass bottle. You guys can see the sprayer here. The sprayer is kind of okayish. It does shoot the juice a bit far, but this is not like a misty type of a spray. It is like a normal sprayer, but it does shoot the juice a bit far. The presentation is like extremely good. These fragrances are like the niche line of Ahmed Al Maghribi, so they have given them like a very good presentation. So this is the presentation. Now let's talk about the fragrance. Alright guys, so let me tell you about Thaqaf by Ahmed Al Maghribi. The name is from Arabic and the meaning is something like to find, gain dominance or become knowledgeable, and in this context perhaps hinting at a fragrance that makes its presence known. This really resonates with the scent. It feels like they have taken these classic time-honored notes and given them a really modern twist, and the result is, well, it's definitely something you'll have to experience. From the first spray, Ahmed Thaqaf Aayah. So there is one more Thaqaf, and this is the Ahmed Thaqaf Aayah. There is one more, so we're talking about this one. So from the first spray, it is very strong, it's very loud. You get this vibrant fruity burst, but it is not that soft sweet thing. There is this underlying warmth from the smoked ginger that adds a really noticeable depth, and you can almost immediately sense the rich oud note lurking underneath, hinting at just how potent and complex this fragrance is. This way, the blackcurrant, peach jam, and maybe some other fruity juicy notes blend together creates this juicy but also kind of sharp sweetness that really commands attention. Looking at the heart notes, you've got this beautiful floral arrangement with rose, peony, lily of the valley, and then some more modern elements like ambroxan, cashmere wood, and white musk. What I really pick up is a gorgeous rose. It is not very loud or strong, it is like just the right combination, but the rose and the oud are like the main players in this fragrance. Maybe that slightly warms, salty ambroxan is also like in the background with some hints. It is clean and some soft musk, but all of these feel amplified. All of these notes are like very strong, very loud, but all of them are like in the right proportion. Not like one note is not like more prominent than the other. So turned up to a significant degree all of these notes. What I found so forceful about Thaqaf is how it manages to be both sweet and incredibly strong. It's not a gentle whisper of sweetness, and it's definitely not a subtle hint of incense. It's bold, it's attention grabbing, and it really makes its presence undeniably known. This is not for the faint-hearted at all. Then as it dries down, you get these grounding notes of sandalwood, a really distinct oud accord, and ambergris. This gives this incredible lasting power. It just goes on and on. It's definitely not a skin scent. It creates a massive scent bubble, a truly lingering scent. And the performance, forget about moderate. This is like very nuclear. It is very long lasting. Most of these niche lines from Ahmed Al Maghribi are very long lasting. Bin Sheikh, Bin Saeed, and one other bin, and especially these Thaqaf Aayah and the Thaqaf line, these are very long lasting. So this isn't that kind of scent for someone who just wants a basic everyday kind of smell. It's got a depth and a touch of that Middle Eastern richness that is super loud and persistent. You will leave a significant trail wherever you go. It easily lasts well over 10 hours on the clothing. Forget about it, it will stay there for the whole day. So considering the unique, powerful scent profile and the extreme performance, The price might seem reasonable to some who seek this kind of intensity, but personally for me it is like an okay price. I do not like this fragrance, nor do I recommend it, but if you like the notes for this fragrance and if you want something like rich, loud and with a Middle Eastern vibe, then this might be for you. The price for this is around like $50 or $60 depending on your location, so it is not a bad price for a potent fragrance like this. Now, Thaqaf is definitely not a hidden gem for those who prefer subtle fragrances. I absolutely do not recommend this for a blind buy at all. You absolutely need to try this on your skin before buying to see if you can handle its intensity and if it aligns with your taste. If you are looking for something that will make a statement and last seemingly indefinitely, this is it. But be warned, it's very strong and loud fragrance that is definitely not for everyone. So this is all for the video. Have you tried this fragrance? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This was all for the video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.